Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Liberty Mutual app review to see if it's worth using. The Liberty Mutual mobile app is a free tool designed to help policyholders manage their insurance need conveniently. Available on both iOS and Android platform, the app allows users to access digital ID card, pay bills, file and track claims, and adjust policy details like adding a driver or updating coverage. It also integrates with Liberty Mutual Right Track program, which monitor driver habit over a 19 days period and can offer a discount of up to 30% from safe driving behavior such as gentle tracking and avoid late night trip. The app has received a positive feedback, boosting rating of 4.8 stars on the App Stores and 4.6 stars on Google Play Store. However, some users should report issues with app's functionalities. Common complaints include occasional glitch, such as the app failing to log certain trip accurately or misclassifying driving behavior, which can affect the right track scoring. Additionally, while the app facilitates many policy management tasks, certain actions like cancelling a policy may still require contacting customer service directly. Despite this drawback, the Liberty Mutual app remains a valuable resource for users seeking a manage their insurance policy efficiently from their smartphones, and that's it.